So now let's take a look at using the MACD, also known as the Moving Averages, Convergence, and Divergence Oscillator for technical trading. The MACD shows both the trend and the momentum of an asset using the moving averages. It consists of the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. On a day chart, the MACD line is the difference between the 12-day and the 26-day EMAs of the stock price. The 9-day signal line is the exponential moving average of the MACD line itself. The MACD histogram is the middle line with the vertical bars on either side and is calculated by subtracting the signal line from the MACD line. The MACD can be a very helpful tool for finding both entry and exit points when trading. There are multiple trading strategies that you could use with the MACD indicator. You could use the signal and the MACD lines to implement a crossover strategy for buying and selling, similar to the moving averages crossover strategy we went over earlier. You could also use the zero line on the MACD chart as a signal to buy or sell. When the MACD line crosses above the zero, this could be a buy signal and vice versa for the sell signal. When the MACD line is above the zero line, this is considered bullish, and below the zero line is considered bearish. Like other indicators, the MACD can be applied to both short-term and long-term trading strategies. Simply change the date settings on the platform you're using to view your charts, like changing the 9-day MACD signal line to a 9-minute signal, for example. No single indicator is ever 100% correct, so it's important to confirm any signals with other indicators and overlays. If there was one indicator that worked every time, I think everyone would just use that one. But until that's discovered, let's head over to TradingView and take a look at how to apply and use the MACD on a candlestick chart. Over the past year or so, I've noticed that the MACD has been very good for trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So let's check out an index that actually follows Bitcoin in US dollars. The stock symbol is XBT. Of course, we need our candlestick chart, so let's scroll down and click on Interactive Chart. So here's the candlestick chart for XBT, which actually follows the price of Bitcoin in US dollars. This is a great way to capitalize on cryptocurrency volatility if you don't want to purchase the actual coins. So let's add the MACD to our chart. We're going to go up to the top menu and click on Indicators. Let's go to the search box and search for MACD. We're going to select the first option under Built-in. Once it's selected, let's close the menu. So if you look below your chart, you should now see the MACD. We have the red MACD line, the blue signal line, and our histogram. There are multiple strategies you could use with the MACD, but for this example, let's go over the MACD crossover strategy. When the blue signal line crosses above the red MACD line, this is a bullish signal and can be used to find entry points. When the blue signal line crosses below the red MACD line, this is a bearish signal and can be used as the indicator to sell. So let's say you made your first purchase of XBT when the signal line crossed over the MACD line back here in September. This would have given us an entry point around $4,000. The two lines remain close together, but our histogram remained bullish. We didn't get a clear sell signal till around the end of December when the price was around $18,000. Now you see why I spent most of last year trading cryptocurrency. When the blue signal line crossed below the red MACD line back here around December 20th, this gave us a clear bearish signal with the histogram bars switching over as well. So this trade gave us an entry point of $4,000 and an exit point around $18,000. I'd say that's pretty good. On the way down, we had a few false reversals. That's why it's best to use multiple indicators and overlays together in order to get a clearer picture. But our histogram pretty much remained bearish until around February. Around $8,000, the signal line crossed back above the MACD line, giving us a bullish entry point. Our MACD and histogram remained bullish until around March, when the price was around $10,000. So this trade resulted in an entry point around $8,000 and an exit point around $10,000. Another good trade in my opinion. In April, we received another bullish buy signal around $7,000. The blue line crossed above the red line and our histogram turned bullish. We would have sold this position when we got the signal here around $9,700, resulting in yet another good trade. Currently, I'm out of this trade and waiting on another bullish signal to make an entry point. So that's a basic overview of the MACD crossover strategy. I'll see you in the next lecture. To get the full stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Also, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever we release new content. The link in the description will take you to the full stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass, where you will learn how to use candlestick charts and technical analysis for stock trading and investing as you look over my shoulder as I go through multiple strategies, tips, and real day trading examples. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned to see a preview of the stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass from Quantum Courses. Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to get started with stock trading and investing using technical analysis? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Stock Trading with Technical Analysis Masterclass. Learning how to trade stocks is just like learning a new language. You could try to learn through trial and error, but having a guide will save you a ton of time and probably a lot of money as well. We will cover the top mistakes that most beginners make and the traits that you must develop to become a successful trader. You will learn how to read and understand candlestick charts, and how to apply and use various indicators and overlays to perform technical analysis. We will go over how to create your account on a trading exchange and go over how to use the platform tools. And you will even follow along as you watch me buy and sell stocks as I place real trades with real money. You get to look over my shoulders as I go through multiple day trading examples so you can see my entire trading process from A to Z. No experience or money is required. Trading can be a little overwhelming for beginners, so for the less experienced traders, I will also show you a method that you can use to start practicing trading real stocks without risking any real cash. Starting with this method will allow you to practice the trading techniques and strategies that you learn in the course in a realistic environment, worry-free. You will learn how to create watch lists so you can keep track of your favorite stocks and assets, the best tools and resources to find and analyze trades, various trade types and order strategies, and we will even go over how you can short various markets and assets without using options. As a bonus, we will also discuss some technical investing strategies that you can implement to start intelligently building your long-term investment portfolio. Learning to invest the right way can help you to build wealth over time, help to secure your future, and provide protection against certain economic or financial issues that may arise. So take some time now to check out the free preview videos and go through the course curriculum so you can see everything that we'll be covering in the course. This is a full-length stock trading masterclass covering everything you need to know to get started with zero fluff or filler. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to start learning with me today. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.